Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create Autodesk student account and how to verify your account. So by creating an Autodesk student account, you will be getting 1 year free access to all Autodesk products like AutoCAD, Fusion 360, Inventor, so Autodesk CFD, Revit, Navisworks. So like this, all the softwares under Autodesk you can able to access freely for 1 year. So first step, open your browser and search for create Autodesk account. So once you search for this, so you will be getting here first link create account. So click on this link. So once you click on that create account link, you will be getting a page like this. So you should enter your first name, last name, enter your mail ID. So again confirm, again re-enter your mail ID. So create a new password for this one. So click on this checkbox and click on create account. So once you click on the create account, you will be showing a page like this, account created. So again click on this checkbox and click on done option. So once you do these steps, a mail will be sent to your personal mail, whatever the mail ID you have given, a verification mail will be sent to your mail ID. So open your Gmail. So you will find a mail like this, verify your Autodesk account. So click on this icon, verify email. So once you click on verify email, so you will be getting a message like this, account verified. So again click on done. So your account has been verified, but there are few more steps you need to follow. So again go to your browser and search for autodesk.com. So here you can find www.autodesk.com. So click on this link. So once you click on this link, you will be entering into the Autodesk page. This is the Autodesk home page. So here you can find out there is a link called product. So top side left corner you can find these products. Click on the products. So under products you can see here educational access. So if you need to download any of the softwares from Autodesk, means at that time you need this educational access. So click here in educational access. So once you click on that, you will be getting a page like this. So here you can see get products. So again click on get products. So you will be getting a page like this. You can see here unlock educational access to Autodesk products. So I will say you the steps how to unlock the educational access. So again click on get started icon. So once you click get started, again you need to sign into your account. So previously we have created our account. So give your mail ID and click on next and then enter the password which you have created previously and then click on sign in. So here few more steps are there. You need to provide your educational profile to Autodesk. So here select your country, which country you are now. So select your educational role, whether you are a student or you are educated professional. You can click on this arrow mark and you can select your educational role and select your institution type. So whether you have studied schools or you have completed university or you have completed graduation. So you can select the institute type here and then click next. So here in this page you need to fill your educational name of your educational institute. So under from which university you have been graduated. So enter your name of your educational institute and select the date, month and year of your enrollment date. So from which year you have started your graduation, like that you can select the month and year when you have started your studies, and you can select the expected graduation date when your studies has been completed. So you need to select these both dates and years. So after that again click on next. So almost your account has been completed, account setting has been completed. So again click on continue option here. So again under get product option, so you will be getting a message like this. So hi, we still need to confirm your eligibility to educational access to Autodesk products. So the final step is you need to submit your ID proof to Autodesk. So I will show you how to submit your ID proofs. So under get product again click on get started option. So once you click, so it will show you the all things what you have entered previously. You can see here whatever the mail ID you have given, first name, last name, your country, your institution type, and then your name of educational institute and date of birth. These are the informations we have previously entered while creating our account. So directly check everything and click here confirm. So after clicking confirm, this is the final step to complete your Autodesk registration. So you need to submit your ID proof. So you can submit your school or college mark sheets. You can submit your mark sheets, or you can able to submit your ID cards. But remember one thing: it should contain your full name and it should consist of your date of birth. Okay. So directly click here, browse option, and select your ID card and insert here. So and then finally click on submit. So once you submit, it will show you a message like this, that your account will be verified within 48 hours. So directly click here close option. So wait for few hours. So after few hours, again log into your Autodesk account and check whether your account has been confirmed or not. So you will be getting a message like this: your account has been confirmed. So now by clicking this link, you will be getting access to all Autodesk products for 1 year from this date. So this is a easy and simple way to create a Autodesk account, and you can able to get access to all Autodesk products. For mechanical, civil, architect, you can get all products free for 1 year.